Sign me up. What are the 3 of those things going to do? Well, stay tuned, I will let you know. I don't know, is smoothing a word? Hey team, welcome to today's video. We have another skincare product today. Now I've actually been looking forward to doing this one. It's popped up on my feed on Instagram quite a few times, so I took the plunge and ordered it in to give it a go. Before we jump in, 100% not sponsored. My opinion only, based on my first experience and my first impression. As of late, I feel like I start almost every video with this, but a package has arrived. Pretty certain this one is my halo, finally. And this one, I'm hoping it's the Skinsol Cosmetics that I ordered, which is 24 karat gold. Well, let's crack in and see if it is. It has taken quite some time to be delivered from America. First one is my halo, well, mine and Adam's. This does feel like it could be. I actually discovered this on Instagram. It was one of those adverts that pops up, and I'll insert the footage of it. Here it is out of the packaging. 24 karat gold Wrinkle Essence from Skinsol. Ingredients: it has water, glycerin, butylene glycol, gold, which is the 4th ingredient, glycosol, trihalose, dipotassium. I am really not going to know all of these words. I'll insert them down below for you. Warning and direction: unscrew the lid and gently push a pea-sized amount on your fingertips after cleansing and toning. Apply it to your face and spread it evenly by massaging with your fingertips in a circular motion. Continue massaging until you see that the essence has been fully absorbed by your skin. Use in the evening once every 2 to 3 days. Okay, so it's not an everyday thing. Discontinue if irritation occurs. Preservation method: keep in a cool place and avoid high temperature and direct sunlight. Good thing that I've got a brand new vanity to put it in. Let's open it up. There we go. Ooh, it looks fancy. There's literally nothing else that comes with it, but this syringe-like, that's really interesting. Obviously it was made in China because it's got the symbols on the back. Well, looks like we'll be utilizing this and trying it out tonight. You would have seen in the opening, this is what the packaging looks like. It is a pretty simple kind of packaging. It doesn't come with any bells or whistles. And it also doesn't come with any additional information in the form of, you know, like a little printout. But that's not a bad thing. That just means that they're cutting down on waste. Interesting, prior to this arriving, I did get an email from Skinsol Cosmetics, and it was a how to use type deal. And I'm just gonna bring it up. So here is the email I got from them. It is a 4-step kind of deal. First and foremost, it asks you to make sure that you have washed and cleansed your face. Number 1 is unscrew the lid and gently push a pea-sized amount onto your fingertips after cleansing and toning. I've just got out of the shower. I've cleaned, cleansed and toned my face. I have not put on any moisturizer on as yet. Number 2, apply it to your face and spread it evenly by massaging with your fingertips in a circular motion. Continue massaging until you see that the essence has been fully absorbed by your skin. Use in the evening once every 2 to 3 days. Now, clearly it's not the evening here, but I'm going to give it a crack anyway because I've done everything that I need to do today, and after this I'm just going to edit and chill out. Before I crack it open, give it a smell, see what the consistency and texture is like, I wanted to get a little bit more information. If you go to their website, it does bring up quite a bit more information to go through. I will touch base on a few of the things. The 3 biggest ingredients that claim to be amazing and will do all of these wonders for your anti-aging is gold, hyaluronic acid, and silk proteins. What are the 3 of those things going to do? Well, stay tuned, I will let you know. Overall, it says that combined, this product will reduce and prevent the appearance of wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid reduces the appearance of wrinkles and maintains a smooth, hydrated, wrinkle-free skin by hydrating the skin and boosting collagen production. Smooths fine lines. Just by simply putting a small portion of the gold-like essence on your fingertips and massaging in the lines, it smoothens the desired area. I don't know, is smoothen a word? Even and tighten loose skin. Silk protein naturally increases the elasticity of the skin and speeds up its metabolism, skin metabolism, to even and tighten loose skin and increase its elasticity. Reduces dark circles and puffy eyes. In addition to its ingredients' main benefit, this serum is also effective in reducing dark circles and puffy tired eyes. Now, before I go more in depth and I put this on my face, I'm going to do a close-up so we can see my fine lines. And at the end of this, I don't expect to have an immediate result, but it is pretty tall claims. It says you'll see results in 2 to 3 days, but I do want to see if there's any kind of noticeable effect. And here we are nice and close. You can see I do have a little bit of darkness, and you can see my fine lines around my eyes. If you scroll further down on the website, especially on this product, it does go further into their very tall claims. Gold is known to be used even by Cleopatra thousands of years ago. It gives your skin a smooth, firmer, radiant, and revitalized youthful look. Sign me up. Silk protein is a unique ingredient that naturally speeds up the skin's metabolism. I just find that really odd. Frequently asked questions. Will this work for me? All the ingredients are made to reduce fine lines and wrinkles no matter what your age or skin type. So it can be used on all skin types, apparently, and it can also be used on young and mature skin. Does it cause breakouts? No. Right there, no. Our product does not cause breakouts. I'm not prone to acne. I don't really get a lot of reaction. Only when I use a face mask, I get tingling. Sometimes there's redness, but that's it. And then the very last thing, why is gold good for me and what kind of gold is in the essence? The use of gold in skincare products for various skin treatments has been a very well known and very well used by Japanese, Romans, and Egyptians since early times. Gold can activate the basal cells of the skin, which increases the elasticity of the skin. It thus reduces wrinkles, fine lines, blemishes, and marks, and will make you look younger. The ions present in gold help in stimulating the cells, nerves, and veins. This leads to improved blood circulation. This will increase the metabolism of skin cells and the secretion of the waste in your skin. Other benefits. Collagen depletion is slowed down, elasticity of the skin is increased, inflammation can be treated, and skin allergies can be treated. This is rated 5 stars based on 15 reviews. So take that as you will, take it as a grain of salt, take it as gospel. Okay, enough talking, let's put it on our face. Here is the syringe type deal. And it's a screw top. There we go. Literally no scent. No scent at all. All right, well, it says pea-sized amount. That is all I'm doing. Okay, now that I got it on my finger, it does have a scent. It smells very clean. It has a very subtle floral kind of undertone, but above all else, it just smells like skincare. Circular motions is what we're going for. It is kind of thick and gel-like. I don't believe it's like granulated. You can see, or maybe you can't, all of the flecks of the gold. Let's just dot this on our skin and see what happens. You know, that little bit does actually go a long way. It feels quite nice. Now, the more that I rub it into my skin, the more the scent, or the stronger the scent becomes. It says to work it in circular motions until it absorbs into the skin. I'm pretty certain that is all the way done. Has it done anything? You know? I mean, it could just be me wanting it to work like, as always, in every single bloody skincare product that I purchase myself. There's definitely a glow. My pores do they seem smaller? My skin definitely feels smoother. I can feel the air on the skin. It's very smooth, very smooth. There is no residue, there's no tackiness. Even on my fingers, it feels extremely smooth. You can see on this finger there was none of the product. This finger, you can see flecks of the gold. But not only, there is a smoothing effect happening on this finger versus there. Hopefully you can see that. I'll leave it up to you to decide whether or not it's a visible effect. I personally, it feels good. Is it the best thing that's out there? I'll have to let you know when I use it a couple more times. Perhaps I'll do a update next week. I'll do like a week's use of it and to see if there's any kind of difference. This cost me $40. That included shipping. We'll include in the information down below if you want to check it out by yourself. Before I wrap it up, let's talk about pros and cons. Is it affordable? It is quite pricey, especially when shipping is involved. It took a very long time to be delivered. Now, granted, this came from America, I believe, and I'm in Australia. However, and we are in a global pandemic. I need to take all of that into consideration. But it did take a while. So if you are in Australia specifically, or in a country outside of America, keep in mind that it may take a couple of weeks to arrive to you. Now, their target market is both male and female. That I have seen the same product marketed to women using females in the advertisement, and also to men in the advertisements, which was in the first clip at the start of this video. If I were to rate this product out of 5, I would give it, on my first impressions, a 3. And that's only because I've just put it on. There's purely on my first impressions. So there you have it, team. If you want to check this out by yourself, check out the information down below. I cannot stop touching my face. It is extremely smooth and it just feels great. Thanks for watching.